Yes, people, so I made this video. From the title you're supposed to see what I'm gonna talk about. So this is weight loss journey vlog number 2. So this I'm gonna talk about my workout that I will be including with incorporating with my weight loss journey. So I have them right down on my paper because I tell you already, if me not write it down, me not gonna remember what me I gonna talk about. So me write it down. So yes, I'm gonna incorporate like cardio, my arms, my abs, my legs, my calf as well. Yeah. I'm gonna include that. But I guess calf falls on the leg day. Anyways, so this is how it's gonna work. I have it right out here. So 6 days a week. Yes, you probably have to say 6 days a week to just start out. It's kind of harsh. Yeah, but this is actually week number. Let's say week number 2 for me. Week number 2, and yeah, today is May the 8th. Yes, so today's May the 8th. I'm recording this. So today will be cardio. Mondays cardio. Tuesdays arms plus cardio. Well, cardio first, then arms. Wednesday cardio, then abs. Thursday cardio, then legs. Friday full body. So that include cardio. I'll do a little cardio. Which cardio for me would consist of my treadmill, right? And also I'll also further down I'll also include a video of my workout for cardio. Probably I'll do like one cardio, one arm, one abs, one leg, one full body, something like that, right? But for now, my cardio would be like my treadmill, because that's the basically I have it, why not use it? So that's gonna be my cardio. And I also have a running app on my phone that gives me 3 times in a week to do running, like run for weight loss. I think that's what it called, or just called running. So I use that also, and like every day it adds like a minute or 2 onto it. So I have to run, walk, kind of basically that kind of thing. So yeah, and for like Tuesday now, like I have cardio, then abs. So I do my cardio, my run, and get my heart rate up, right? Now I really like cooling down when I'm working out. I like to be sweating, right? Also, I'm gonna include. I also have a video of I do my belly wrap. So I use my I forgot the cream, the cream that I use. It's a moisturizer that you use for makeup removal. A lot of people probably know it. So I use that, and then I use Saran wrap. If I don't have Saran wrap, or if I'm too lazy to use Saran wrap, listen, if I'm too lazy to use Saran wrap, I'm gonna use a plastic bag. Don't laugh, I'm gonna use a plastic bag, and then I put my band over it. I bought a sweatband. I don't really like to only buy the sweatband that goes halfway. I like the vest one, so that's the one that I buy. And sometimes I do wear it on a regular day, because it does make you sweat. It's make you sweat. I know it kind of getting hotter in Calgary right now, so I love the heat, and I love working out outside because it's more fun. It's more fun. Also, just talking about working out outside, also maybe I'll put in a video as well of me and my friend. We go to the gym. So we're either gonna go to the gym twice a week or 3 times together. So you probably see that as well, or you probably see pictures of us, which I'll include it. Probably not into this video, but into a next one. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. And it also goes for abs day and legs day and full body. I'll also incorporate cardio as well, but more cardio help to you get the calories and all of those things, and you work it out, and I think for me cardio make me burn a lot of sweat. For me, I don't know about anybody else. For me, cardio make me burn a lot of sweat. So I love doing cardio before any other workout. And for all of the workout, then I will do it from Monday to, actually I didn't say Saturday. Saturday is cardio. After full body, Saturday is cardio. It's either I get Saturday as a rest day and only do 5 days of the week, or maybe 6 days a week. I'm gonna try my best to do it, even if it's 15 minutes of cardio for Saturday. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. So bear with me, help me, motivate me, and I also will motivate you too as well. Because a lot of people, I like to watch YouTube videos that actually motivate me. I've actually seen people journey, and I also want to be able to do that and want to be able to support you in your journey. So just continue watch the Yardy Girl, because you will see a lot of things from me, and I'll continue posting. I'll try my best to be more consistent, because a lot of people like, I personally liked when people be more consistent on their video, because every single day from I'm on YouTube watching other people's video. And I forgot this lady, she's always like, she always says like, yes, you watch so much YouTube videos, you want to do yours, so don't just watch, do it, act upon it, right? It wasn't exactly that words, but just act upon you do your videos where you want to do them. Don't just push them aside and say, oh, tomorrow. No, do them now, right? Even if it's night, do them, because some of the time me tired and me only can record way down in the night or midnight or something. But I try my best, and I'm going to try my best to do them same way. So yes, so that would be my workout, 6 days a week, maybe 5. But 6 days a week, me are keeping them 8, because if I keep 5, then you're gonna want to do only 5. And then all of them with cardio and with my abs, my arms, and all of those things. So yes, and I will also put my workout as well. So Shana the Yardy Girl, I sign out for one more of her weight loss video, right? Oh, before I go, I also sign up for Diet Bet. So I'm sign up for Diet Bet, and it's going good so far. The group that I'm in is Julian Fitness, Julian Michaels. She a lot of people probably know Julian Michaels, and right now the pot is about 160. Let me see if I can. I put it over here because I don't exactly remember. I think it's 166 or 167, so somewhere 160 something. And if you want to join, it's like you I I think for this, okay, as I was saying, this diet, you won't be able to join Julian Michaels, but she always have diet going on. So there's a lot of options that you can choose for. So mine, I just did a Kickstarter for 4 weeks. I'm supposed to lose 4% of my body weight. I think I have like 9 or something pounds to lose, but I think I have less than that right now to lose actually. I think probably 6.2 I think I have left to lose. Yeah. So I'm in this week is week 2. So we're gonna have like two and a half week left, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, I bet $30, and I'm in the pot. So any amount of people that loses their body weight, it's not about who loses more than who. It's the amount of people lose their body weight. Everybody say 10 people in the group, and 10 people lose the amount of body weight, the same, like lose the amount, the required amount, the 4%. Everybody share the money in there, right? It doesn't go to like first place, second place. No, everybody share the money, which is a good thing. Not everybody. I wish that everybody is successful, but not everybody will be. But it's good even so if you even win back your own money, because you're betting on yourself to even win back your own money, and that's good, right? So yeah, that also gives me motivation and push me forward as well. And yeah, I also have Julian Michaels app on my phone. I use the free version right now, because you know this a girl are cheap. Well, not too cheap, but cheap in the sense of money is kind of tight right now. So I have to kind of do it what I have, and I go off. I have my printout of my leg day, my abs day, and my arm day and stuff like that. I have those printout, and I just have them on my wall. So just in case I don't use the app, I'll just use those. I will just follow those for the day. But and I tend to change up things a little bit every day that I do them, because I don't want to constantly doing the same workout and my body just get used to it. Want to feel a little burn, and afterward want to feel a little pain. So yeah, this is basically all I have to say about my vlog 2, weight loss journey, and now my workout that I'm gonna incorporate with my weight loss journey. So if you have not liked, please do hit that button and like if you want more of my video, and subscribe to see more, because more when notification come in you get it, so make sure you turn on the bell too. So yes, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. All the new subscribers, please enjoy the rest of my videos them, and big up to everybody out there, big up to myself, right? And thank you for watching. So Shana, the girl, is gone until the next video. All right, so I'll see you later. All right, later.